5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday in the sun from tonight.
Hey, yeye, and yoyoy. Pre, musta na? Bye. Happy birthday sa inyong duha. I know your birthday is New Year. Happy New Year also. And then of course, ang pinaka-importante dyan is birthday ninyong duha karon. Mostly sa inyong birthday mag-celebration, lechon, perminti nyo po makakita sa inyong lechon. Okay? But hopefully by next time sa celebration yung duha, na ato din na sa Pilipinas. But anyway, bye, pre. Stay healthy all the time. More blessings to come. More birthdays to come sa inyong duha. And more power, of course. And keep pushing your goals. And then I can see that you all guys are very successful. But happy birthday sa inyong duha. God bless.
Hey! Hello, pre! Happy birthday! Kambal! Yuyuy! Ora gina ako marigalo ninyo, pre. Pili lang na, pre. Pila ka Pokemon gusto, pre. Happy birthday, pre. God bless kanunay. Mingaw na kong sayaw, pre. Pwede ka po kalimot sa tong steps, pre. Awa, pre, ha. Gyapon ni tirada, pre, oh. Itong steps na pangbansa, pre, ba, oh. 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 Napa ni, pre, oh. Sa pagkaito isa, pre. Napa, pre, oh. 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 Apa, pre, oh. Oh. Umbap tirada, pre, ba. Happy birthday, pre. Happy 50th birthday, pre. So, samping mo kanunay, pre, kay mga angkol na ta. Ingat kanunay.
Eureka! Iye, happy birthday! Tanawan ninyo ni mo ninyo ang trademark. 6, 7. Eureka, man! Hey, yoy, happy birthday! 50 birthday. Grabe, bay. Abot ang 50, bay. Saon mga ala-ala dia, oh. 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 Oh, napa dyan diyan? Ki. 5, go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Whoop. What? Okay, yoy, happy birthday. Ingat mo dia, permente. Padayon lang sa inyong exercise, basketball, sayaw, padayon lang. And Eureka, salamat kay hatod karon buog yapon ang grupo. Brotherhood, man. Salamat sa pagkuha sa mua as maging member sa Eureka. Si Junjun may kuhan jud ana. Good, salamat pag. Oh, sa tanan Eureka na members, na Happy New Year sa inyo tanan.
Yes.
Kita-kita tapuhon. Peace. Okay. And happy birthday once again. Yuyi. So, Eureka, man, brotherhood. Thank you. And God bless always. Thank you, amor. So soon, kita ta diha pohon. Bakasyon mi. So, ito lang. And thank you once again. So, happy birthday. Yuyi. Kung naay UMS Universal Motion Studio. Soon maka-studio ng Eureka soon. Okay, man, bye.
Happy birthday to Yuyoy and Yi. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to both of you. God bless.
Happy New Year! Happy birthday, Kambal! Enjoy mo sa inyong birthday! Happy birthday! Happy 50th birthday, Kambal!
Happy birthday, Mbal, Yeye, and Yoy. happy 50th birthday, guys. I want to say thank you for everything. Like, you teach me how to doggy. Thank you for the moment, guys, na nabilong ko sa group natin. Thank you sa tanang mga memories that we had and experience. Wala ko dire kung wala mo. You are the part of my journey, and thank you for us. Thank you for being my mentor and being my teacher. That's it. And hopefully you enjoy this moment that is your important thing in all year. It's your birthday. Enjoy, guys. Hug for me. Amen. Happy New Year.
Love. 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 Mata na. Alas 12 na ba? Love, mata na. Alas 12 na. Lihi na. Magpapuka, magkayak ka. Alas 12 na.
Lo, birthday na Yuy Gi karon. Lo, Yuy Gi, happy birthday. Happy New Year pod. Ako sininabi.
Ano naman?
Mag-iris ko karon, birthday ko.
Yoyi. Yoyi. Pre, happy birthday sa inyong 50th na birthday, pre. Sa inyo. And then, happy New Year pag yun. Na kung pagampo sa inyo, pre, kanang more unity, more humility, humbleness, and kanan mga ability and talents na to, ikan yun na kay Lord. I-acknowledge yun na to si Lord. I love you, pre, maski natin mga ups and downs sa una, pero nagpatigbabaw yun atong brotherhood as Eureka. Happy birthday, pre, and a happy New Year. I love you, pre. Mga pre na ko, you.
Mga pare, Happy New Year and happy birthday to Roy and Ray. Ang among kambal na pinakakuyaw mo sayaw, kuyaw mo koryo, kuyaw sa tanan. Happy birthday pare. Wish you more birthdays to come. Peace and love.
Pare Yuy, happy birthday. More birthdays to come and good health always. Eureka, number 1.
Yo, this is Alex from Eureka. Happy birthday kay Yuyo Kayiye. Pre, bless kami sa inyong life, sa inyong duha. And declaring excellent health sa inyong duha ug sa inyong family. Happy birthday. More birthdays to come. Shalom.
Happy birthday, Yoyi. Thank you sa inyong life. Iye. Yuyoy. Good job. Select mo. Yoyi, thank you kayo ha. Grabe jud ka daw kay magtabang sa ako, especially pag nakakailangan sa inyo jud kumudagan labi na sa music o sa mga advices niyo. Thank you jud kayo. Simple advice lang ninyo pero daw kay nag-effect sa ako. Thank you jud kay brothers. So God bless inyo ha. I pray good na more blessings sa inyo ha, mabot and amazing health good para ma-enjoy pa niyo ang creation ni Lord. Thank you and God bless you more. Happy birthday! Love, love! Love, love!
Hi, Yoyoy! Hi, Yeye! Happy birthday! Diyos ko, my God, you're 50 years old na. How time flies, no? 50 years old, meaning you're already half a century sa inyong kinabuhi. tiguang na mo. Tiguang na ang kambal sa Eureka. Nako sa bakasyon karon, but I won't let this chance pass without greeting you a happy birthday because I know it's special to be reaching 50 years old, to be reaching the golden years of your life. Ang wish na ako is unta pareho mong magmalipayon. I know that you are happy doing what you love best, no? That's dancing. Dili mo si Yoyo ug si Yeye without the two of you having, without the two of you dancing, no? Pagsayaw, si Yoyo ug Yeye good na, no? And ang padayon ako mong mag-wish nga unta magbalipayon mo, labi na mo na may mga nyatag sa sa pamilya. Please take good care of your family, of your children, and always be happy and be healthy. Regards ko sa Eureka, gimingaw ko ninyo. I miss you all guys, all of you, especially yung mga kambal. Ang haba ng pinagsamahan natin. In your 20s pa mo, nag-racket na ta. So, na 50 years old na mo, mga Diyos ko. I hope to see you soon, no? I hope to see you soon and God bless you all. Bye-bye! Happy birthday!